Hey there, high fashion doll lovers. I'm just Christopher and bienvenidos to my YouTube channel. Now, if this is your first time here, please take a second to press that subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell notification so you can get notified whenever there's a new video around because, well, they're random and that's just the way the world works. So, how to gather my thoughts. It almost feels like I haven't done one in such a long time because I shot all the other videos at once, although I've been releasing them once a week, so this kind of feels new to me, although it's obviously not new. Anyway, so as you can already tell by the name in the default icon photo, whatever you want to call it, Ayumi is here. Now, I have to be honest, when they were mentioning spring, I wasn't expecting her to arrive this soon, so I am pleasantly surprised, pleasantly happy. I'm able to do all of my convention videos at once, kind of back to back. And that's super cool for me because I'm a little anal like that. Just a tad bit anal like that. But here we go. Here goes nothing. I realized I didn't keep a lot of the giveaway dolls from convention. So I don't think I ever like showcased the box in which they came with. So I had her off to the side there. I use a shipper box, so it's not in the shipper box. So I don't know if you can tell, this box is a lot slimmer. And that's because the giveaway girls were given out in like, I don't know why I want to say the older boxes. But they came in like the almost the same sock. Wow. English. You would have thought it was my first language, but sometimes I question that. Back to what I was saying. These look like the boxes that a lot of the like nude style lab dolls come in. They're a lot slimmer and they have the like flat thing in the back. I have to be honest, when I was unboxing some of the giveaway dolls, because I was really just trying to take away their clothes, I don't like these boxes. I feel like my fingertips are gonna break. It's really hard to like get this out. Kind of hard right now. I remember, ooh. So that kind of ruined the reaction. But hi. Yeah. Okay. I got distracted really easily right there because she's out. But I wanted to show you guys how like it has to, I don't like this box. It's really what I'm trying to come down to. Like I'm trying to find good words to like use, but I can't because it ruined my experience. Okay, it ruined my experience. Ooh, these fingernails is bopping. Oh, there goes the certificate of authenticity on the floor. All right. Oh, I'm a mess today, guys. Oh. You're beautiful though. Like you're just stunning. Are we having a little issue with the eyelashes here? What's going on? What is this? Well, I'm not gonna figure that out now. Oh, she's so cute, guys. I'm so excited. Oh my god. I know, you want to say. What a stunner. Ooh, so beautiful. No words. No words. Okay. Let me compose myself. Let me gather my thoughts. Now, if you're new to my video and you've never been to my channel before, I am about to unbox her off camera. So like that you don't have to struggle with me because these boxes be a struggle. And then when we come back, when we come back, she'll be decked out in all of her accessories how she's meant to be. And in today's restyle portion of my video, because there's always a restyle portion, I am really excited because I have this outfit that I purchased off of a vendor on Instagram. And it's someone that I use quite regularly and I love their stuff. So I will be using that outfit for my restyle today. So I'm really excited to unpackage the outfit as well as the doll and put them together. Now, if you've been to my channel, you know I love to start at a good shoe. Now, I have something to say. I love a good shoe, but why is it that when you think the shoe's going to be easy to put on, the shoe's actually hard? And when you think it's going to be hard, it's actually easy. Yeah. I thought, you know, like, we'll just loosen up the ties on the back and we'll be able to put these puppies on. No. It was, I don't know what kind of knot or what kind of situation was happening back there, but it was hard. It was hard to unloose. So I just wanted to share that thought process, that although I love a good shoe, it always seems that when I think the shoe's going to be easy, the shoe is hard. And when I think the shoe is going to be hard, the shoe is easy. Moving on. Because, you know, she got legs for days. Now, I have to say, I stopped here for a reason. I don't know if you're going to see it, but the ribbon that was used is not that great. When I took her out of the box, some of the ribbon was coming off. And I know I cut it, but I don't know if there's still some. There it is. See a little thread right there? Okay, it's not focused. There it is. Yeah, the ribbon on this dress, not that great. I also didn't realize in the photos how sheer this was. I love the idea of the dress. I don't know. I feel like something's missing and I'm not 100% sure what that is. Now moving up, the necklace. I feel like I'm complaining in this video a lot and it's really not my intention, but integrity, if you ever watch this, can we start getting the magnet necklaces? I feel like putting this on was most of my time of getting her dress, just saying. And it's a beautiful necklace, but I'm really gonna start needing magnets because my fingers, they can't do it. Now, this face, guys, look at it. Look at it. It is stunning. And I also have to point out and say, and my camera's like in and out of focus, I'm not one for like what I consider to be fantasy hair, and this hair for the most part is very like out of my comfort zone with my dolls. But from the moment I saw this doll, I thought Lisa from Blackpink, so I had to have it. I mean, of course, I was at a convention and it was a giveaway. But I could have easily sold her, as I do with many things, but she's just, I don't know. I'm in love. There's just some people that certain things work on, and she's definitely that person. And it's crazy, in person, the hair looks more red, but I'm looking at the camera and it looks more orange. So interesting. Her rooting is also really light. I'm not the most, like, perfect person when it comes to reroots, because I don't do them. But I can tell that the hair is very lightly rooted. Like, it's really thin. There was no gel in her hair. Like, what else can I say? Positive things. I want positive things. I feel like I was very negative. Sorry for the moving camera. I do things with my hand. She's stunning. Like, I just can't get over how stunning this face is. Okay, great. So this is what she looks like with all her accessories and how she was intended to look like, I guess we can say. Now we're going to move on to the second look, which I'm very excited about. I haven't even unpackaged it. But yeah, I am excited. Also, I must let you know that the second look is a pairing to this look right here. He's about to get a partner real soon in a matching outfit. What would it look like? We will see soon. Okay, so remember how I said the outfit Ayumi's gonna be wearing is pretty much a matching look to his? Well, here she is. If my camera wants to focus on her. She is so fall ready, it's not even funny. I jumped at the chance of getting these looks from my vendor on Instagram. Mostly because I've purchased from this person before. The quality is amazing. The fabrics are stunning. And I needed more pants for my girls, and this top is fabulous. You can't see the top right now because her little like short cape is covering it, but her top is pretty much identical to his. So he has that little peekaboo. She has it as well. You can't see it right now because, well, I'm not gonna undo it. But here she is redressed in a whole nother look. Look at these shoes. They're just so perfect. Now, these shoes are from the Style Lab from Convention. Again, and I said it, I think, or I hope I did, in my Style Lab videos. There were good pieces. They just needed to be reimagined and restyled. As you can see, the shoes work perfectly here. They might have looked a little dated with something else. But yeah, aren't we just loving it? Ooh, focus. There you go. Eat it up, honey. Eat it up. Okay, everyone, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning into this video with me today here on my channel. Now, I mentioned it at the beginning of this video, but I'll mention it again. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification because you want to get notified when I post a new video. Duh. Also, please make sure to press the like button and leave a comment. I love a good conversation. Let me hear from you guys. Let me know what you thought about this Ayumi, about the outfit that I just restyled. Just let me know what you're thinking. I'm so into it. And guess what? Yeah, you guessed it. There's another reaction video coming. I can at least confirm one more. One more. Hopefully there'll be more soon, but, well, I don't have a magic ball to know the answer to the rest of this collection. I'm not a psychic. That's really what I was trying to leave that at. Okay, guys. See you next time. Bye.